This video walks you through how to create a test price in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, look for the test mode toggle and turn it on. This is the setting that makes sure you are working in the test environment rather than with live data. Before you continue, make sure test mode is visibly enabled so the price you create is marked for testing. Next, go to the left sidebar and click Product Catalog. From there, select Products. This opens the area where Stripe stores the items and services connected to your pricing. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the product list appears before moving forward. Now choose the product that will use this test price. If you already have a test product set up, open that product from the list. If not, click Create Product and add the product first. The important part here is that you are creating the price inside the correct product, since prices in Stripe are attached to products rather than created on their own. After the product page opens, find the option to add pricing. Depending on what you see in your dashboard, click Add Another Price or Create Price. Both options take you to the same place, which is the form used to define a new price for that product. In the pricing form, start by choosing the type of price. Select either one-time or recurring based on how the charge should be used. After that, choose the currency for the price and enter the amount. Check the values you enter here carefully, since the currency and amount determine how this test price will appear anywhere you use it in Stripe. If you selected a recurring price, continue by setting the billing period. Choose the interval that matches how the subscription should renew, such as monthly or yearly. Then review any additional pricing settings shown on the form and configure them as needed for your test setup. If the price is one time, you can move past recurring options and stay with the fields relevant to a single charge. Once the details look correct, click Save Price. Stripe will then add that price to the product. After it is saved, you should be able to see it listed on the product page along with any other prices already attached to that product. The final step is to test it while test mode is still enabled. Use the new price in a payment link, a checkout session, or a subscription, depending on the flow you want to verify. This confirms that the test price is available and behaves as expected in your Stripe test environment. Your test price is now created in Stripe and ready to use in test mode.